If you'd like to find out how I lost 70 pounds of ugly belly fat by using an incredibly simple, easy to follow tip, then listen carefully. Half my life I was overweight and absolutely miserable. I tried every diet I came across with little to no results. But then all of a sudden, after I discovered an age-old kind of weird tip, that all changed. I didn't have to use any magic pills, no fad diets, no boring calorie counting, and I didn't have to live at the gym to do it. If you'd like to find out how you can burn that fat around the clock, just enter your details in the form on the right. I've got some videos that I think you'll be very interested to see. Now, I should charge $27 for these videos, but they're yours today, absolutely free. So sign up right now.